Is your business still using Microsoft Dynamics GP? With Microsoft's focus shifting to newer ERP solutions, it's time to explore alternatives. Fortunately, there are powerful options available that exceed Dynamics GP's capabilities. Continuing with Dynamics. GP might seem convenient, but its outdated technology can hinder your business. Many of your competitors have already moved to more flexible, scalable cloud solutions. Holding on to Dynamics GP means missing out on modern features and efficiencies. Acumatica Cloud ERP stands out as a leading replacement. It offers anytime, anywhere access, better scalability, and enhanced integration capabilities. With unlimited user pricing, you can add users without costly licenses. Acumatica empowers your business to do more. Join us on September 26th at Maggiano's Little Italy in Charlotte, North Carolina. Over lunch, discover why planning your next steps is crucial. Experience a live demo of Acumatica's features and learn why it's a top Dynamics GP replacement option. Register now, seating is limited. If you can't attend, schedule a personalized consultation. Our expert team at Intelligent Technologies Inc. specializes in seamless migrations from Dynamics GP to Acumatica. With decades of experience, we tailor solutions to fit your business goals.